Hi, Namaste, and good morning. This is Srinivas Sharma, your name change consultant, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, as you know, I make videos on different aspects related to documentation. So, this is a very important video. During my last 15 years of experience, I have received so many comments, so many queries, and even so many telephone calls. People ask me after getting the Gazette done, which all documents I can change or correct my name or name spellings. So I thought let me make a video for your facility. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do like it, press thumbs up button and share with your friends. And if you are interested to watch these kind of videos related to documentation, consider subscribing my YouTube channel and press bell icon. The reason of pressing bell icon is the moment I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Okay, now let us dive into the topic. Suppose if you have done your Gazette, then what are the documents you can get modified or edited and what documents you cannot get and modified. But before giving you all the details, I would like to tell you that even if your particular document is not edited on the basis of your Gazette, still you have no problems, because with that particular document you attach copy of Gazette, and then whatever the contents written in the Gazette will be treated as the correct details. So first, the birth certificate. Suppose there is a name change or name spelling mistake in the birth certificate, either your name or your parents' name. So they will not modify at any cost. So you get your Gazette done, and wherever you submit your birth certificate in future, attach copy of Gazette. Then the name and the surname and spellings mentioned in the Gazette will be treated as the final name and spelling. Second is marriage certificate. Once marriage certificate issued, no editings, no modification will be done by the concerned department. Similarly, you can use marriage certificate with a copy of the Gazette. Third is educational document. As you know, there are more than 800 universities and thousands of colleges, more than 30 educational boards, whether secondary or higher secondary. So everyone have a different rules. So it is very difficult for me to collect all the information. But as far as I know, 99% institutions, once they issue results, mark sheet or certificates, they will not make any changes. Please note, they will not make any changes. But still, if there are any mistakes, get your Gazette done, and wherever you submit your educational documents, attach copy of the Gazette. Then same way, in the Gazette, whatever name or spellings you mention, that will be considered as the final name and spellings. Fourth is the property documents. Friends, once you have registered your property, it means you have already paid a revenue charges, revenue duty to the concerned state department. No modification will be done in the title deed. That means whatever name mentioned will not be changed. But again, if you're considering changing of name or you find spelling mistakes in the property documents, for that you get your Gazette done. And whenever you make any transaction related to that property, that means whether you want to transfer the property, you want to sell the property, or you want to mortgage the property, along with the title deed, attach a copy of your Gazette, and similarly same with same name and same spellings, give a copy of your ID address proof also, then there will be no problem at all. So I hope I tried to cover almost all the documents in this video. If you find this video useful, please consider giving a thumbs up and share with your friends. Again, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching. Namaste and bye-bye.